Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, there is a lot to know about global markets, and that's the reason we are going to start with global cues. Asian markets have a mixed trend in morning after the hottest US inflation print in 3 decades hurt Wall Street shares and sparked a jump in treasury yields. Amid concerns, monetary policy will be tightened more quickly. Equities rose in Japan and China and fluctuated in Hong Kong. The S&P 500 dropped and the Nasdaq 100 underperformed as investors questioned the richer valuations of technology stocks. US futures edged up with Tesla Inc. rallying in extended trading hour after a filing showed Elon Musk sold about $1.1 billion of Tesla stock for tax needs, providing some clarity on its plans. The evidence of building price pressure brought forward expectations of interest rate hikes. Treasury yields soared across the curve with the 10-year yield up more than 10 basis point. Currently it is at 1.55 and over and above jump in the 10-year yield is certainly not positive for emerging markets. The dollar was around 1 year high and gold also moved to the levels of 1850 plus. So all these global cues are certainly not positive for emerging markets, and that's the reason Singapore Nifty is also trading nearly 40-45 points lower as compared to its previous close. For our markets, although the markets have broken the levels of 17,950, it failed to fall further below the levels of 17,900. We were expecting 17,850 on the downside or 800, but it stopped at 17,900 and again it recovered back. On the other side, even though the Nifty rallied to the levels of 18,060 during the day, it failed to sustain at higher levels. In brief, the trend of the market is clearly uncertain until the market is not crossing the level of 18,130. We would see a stock specific performance. Above 18,130, the market would chase the levels of 18,350 with a minor resistance or hurdle at 18,190. Expect weaknesses if the Nifty breaks 17,900, and in that case the Nifty will find the next best support between 17,840 or 17,800 levels. Closing of the Nifty below the levels of 17,800 would be negative for the market. FIs have a bearish outlook and have positioned themselves in the FNO section accordingly. For the Bank Nifty, support exists at 38,800 and sustenance below that will be negative. Next best support for the Bank Nifty exists at 38,450 and at 38,200 below the levels of 38,800. Friends, today we need to focus on technology companies because the Bank Nifty is very close to its important support area, and below that we may see some more liquidation. So maybe Nifty IT will come to rescue the market, and that's the reason we need to focus on few IT companies like Infosys, Tech Mahindra, even TCS. They are very close to their important resistance levels, and above that we can expect some more short covering. So broadly we are going to focus more and more on technology companies in today's date on the long side, and for the short side we need to be careful on the bank stocks. I'm going to say if we see the Bank Nifty is breaking the support, then we may see further more liquidation of the long positions, and that's the reason we need to be careful on financials. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in and have a great day to all of you.